Tana Falava, I'm Uncle Phil.
And I'm Cam.
And this is Fresh Out of Water, where we do activities that we wouldn't pay to do on our own. Sorry, why do you think they chose us?
I honestly thought that it was because of your shoulders.
Now, you know what? It was this.
Okay. Tell me, what's the most outrageous thing you've ever done?
I'll have to say my half marathon at 150 kgs. How about you?
And honestly, it's probably talking back to my dad.
Wow.
It's
So how did that end?
not well for me. Only one
Was
option.
it fushi pa'u or?
Sleepy time or sleepy time?
Oh, is this like a...
Virtual reality.
Your favorite. I've never done this before.
Welcome.
What's up, man? Tui, nice to meet you. Tui, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Zero Latency, boys.
Thanks, bro. Thanks for having us.
This whole facility is virtual reality gaming.
Virtual reality.
So that's what we do here, but we let you actually free roam. So this whole space that you see here is for you guys.
Me?
Have you guys done anything like this before?
No, it's first time. Does it fit on my size head or?
So that's a pretty big dome, man. I'm not gonna lie.
For our headsets, you have to reach around the back and use this the dial to tighten the headset so it doesn't fly off.
So it'll fit.
It'll fit.
It'll fit.
It'll fit.
Yeah, it'll decline.
Well, I've got games lined up for you guys, and I'm not going to give anything away.
Okay.
You're going to have to watch briefing
this too.
videos, but
I got it.
We got it.
you got this. You got this.
Let's go.
So can you show me those videos? We're here at like a, looks like a zombie apocalypse outbreak kind of thing.
And we're about to enter into a reality that we're not aware of, so pretty nervous, but I'm excited.
I'm feeling kind of uneasy, really. I'm not really a big zombie fan. I know Uncle Phil is, you can see him in the back.
I think he might soil himself actually, but
I'm gonna trust in my skills and my abilities, and I reckon, you know, I might have one over Uncle Phil.
I've seen a lot of scarier things at home, so yeah, should be all good.
Silly, get ready. Headshot sauce. Wow, don't try me. It's on the right. Take the right, on your left, on your left.
I got the right.
Sorry. Come on now. So what you did back there to that zombie, so it's not raiders. So is that you, Cam? Hey, wait, hold. Yeah, stop. Cover. Sonny. Oh, no, Sonny, you set me up. You set me up. Joe, watch out. Watch out, there's another one. So that was gone.
Well done, sir.
Sick.
Great game.
Oh, no.
What the?
How was that?
Oh, it's tough, bro.
What an experience, man.
Yeah.
That is next level. I did not expect that.
Full workout, eh? Bro, no, that was really good.
good, eh?
Honestly, one of the best things I've ever done, eh? That was fun as.
That was tough for me.
Yeah.
Just, you know, trying to work out a plan between me and the bro.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden get overrun by zombies.
Mine would have to be just the cardio, bro, involved.
Yeah.
Like, that was a full workout for me, bro.
Yeah.
To be honest, like when you're in there, you don't even remember that there's walls here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, you just feel like you're in an open space or actually in that mall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was the buzzy part. It's really cool, man.
Yeah. Well, you know, like, you really feel like you're in combat. This guy was, like, purposely leaving all the zombies to come at me.
But you guys did pretty well. Time-wise, you did pretty well.
That was mean, bro.
Thank you guys for coming, man.
Appreciate it, Oofs.
Right, that was awesome.